Hello friends, welcome to a new crypto chat. Today I'll make a tutorial about Dex Screener. What is Dex Screener, how you can use it, and what benefits you can get out of Dex Screener. So stay tuned to the end of the video because you'll find out things that you don't know or you may don't know. To go on Dex Screener, you have to type in the address dexscreener.com and you'll get to the main page of Dex Screener. That it looks something like this. So you will have all the markets and what's happening on all the networks and different tokens. So now let's take as an example that we are using Dex Screener to find out some information about the token, to find out how liquid is that asset, to find out how many buys and sells it has in live real time. We can find out the contract addresses and the pair addresses on Dex Screener. Basically, Dex Screener it's a platform that is monitoring the prices of the cryptocurrency market, and it has it all in one place. Let's take as an example, if we want to buy some Polygon Matic, we want to see what's going on with Matic. We want to see if there are any sells and any buys. So let's search about Matic. You can search the token by the token name, pair or address. So now we want to check Matic. In order to make sure that we take in the original Matic and not any scammy Matic, because there are many tokens out that they're pretending to be Matic, we're going on CoinMarketCap. That is one of the most trustful, let's say, and we are searching for Matic. This is the way I'm doing it for security. I trust not 100% because I cannot trust anything 100%, but I'm trusting at least 90% CoinMarketCap that is verifying the project before putting them on and is trying to minimize scams, fraud, fake tokens. Okay, it's not everything under their control, but as soon as they are finding out that the project is with problem or something is going wrong, they are taking it out. So we need the contract address. I'll go on the Binance Smart Chain one for Polygon, copy, paste, and then you can see that many pairs they are coming up. Matic BNB, Matic Wrapped BNB, Matic Wrapped BNB, Matic Wrapped BNB, but they are on different exchanges. This is on BitSwap, this is on PancakeSwap, this is on ApeSwap, and more exchanges. Some of them they look to be fake. So take as an example this one with $18 liquidity. I personally don't believe that it has only $18 liquidity. It's a whole Matic, it's a whole Polygon ecosystem. So I'll stay away from this one with $18 liquidity. But I care about the one on PancakeSwap with 140k liquidity. Sounds legit, and I'll check it. Here we can see what's happening in the market in real time. Here is the date and the time. Here is the type, buy, sell, dollars, Matic, Wrapped BNB, and the price and the TXN. So you can find everything here. It's everything in your plate. Here you can see the chart. You have minute, 5 minutes, 15 hour, 4 hour, daily, and some more options if you drag down the menu. Here you can share your feeling about the project. If it's a project that is skyrocketing, if it's a hot project, if it's a poo project, to say it nicely, or if it has red flags. You can click once every 24 hours from the same IP. On the right side of the screen, you can see the pair, Matic Wrapped BNB on PancakeSwap, is writing it here, the price, the liquidity, the fully diluted valuation, and the market cap. Here you can see the change in the last 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, transactions in the last 24 hours, buys and sells, and the volume. You can add it to a watch list, set price alerts. You can use Telegram to set price alerts. You can use a price bot. Here is the contract address of the pair. So in case you want to buy Matic and you are sure that this is the token and that you are looking for, you can copy from here and paste it to the decentralized exchange. You've got some more information What's the token? Some websites. There are some tokens, I'll show you some, without website here. I will not suggest you to jump in that project so fast. It may be a project that didn't share any information on any website, and it may be legit. It could be like a fast project for some clever guys doing some money very, very fast. That's why stay away from the ones without websites, I will suggest. And especially if you are new in crypto and you don't know. Guys, by the way, if you like my content and my videos, you can donate some crypto to the link below in order to better my channel and my videos and making higher quality videos. If you are from the UK, join me to trade together commission free on free trade. You're gonna get a share between £3 and £200 for free by using my referral, the link down in the description. If you are new in crypto, join me on Binance by clicking the link in the description, and you're gonna get 10% back from your fees. Now let's carry on. By clicking the search icon, you can search the token, how I said before. You have a watch list. You can set up a watch list if you want, so you add the tokens that you want to watch. You can set price alerts. The only thing is that to set the price alerts, you must be on the pair detail screen, so the screen that I was showing before, and you have to click the set price alerts, then you set up your price that you want to be alerted. The next thing is the most interesting, the multicharts. So basically, you don't need an account to log in. You just set it up on your browser, you add the charts that you want to watch, and the charts, they staying in memory as long you have that browser on that PC. So if you want to open a new screen with charts, let's say Dex Screener, I mean if you want to open it from scratch, you go on the multi-charts, your charts, they're coming on. Basically this is what I choose, these are my charts. This is very interesting and it's helping you a lot of keeping track of your pairs and the tokens that you have and watching them. And not only, you can put 16 charts per window and you can create many windows. You can customize your dashboard by removing or adding the menu, header, footer, interval for all of them if you want, columns, height, everything. That's very interesting. I'm keeping track of my tokens. But because how I said before, there are many clever guys down there trying to rip us off. One of these tokens most likely to be this one, where is writing failed loading pair. I don't remember what I had here. I cannot refresh to come up what it was here. So the only thing I can do is to delete it and try to remember what it was there. There are pairs that are disappearing because of the volume, maybe because of Dex Screener taking them off, because of many other reasons. The next one, you can check the trends. What is trending now? For example, like wrapped Ethereum, the price is up 34%, and Saxon BNB against wrapped BNB is 31.36% in the last 5 minutes. So it's like a tracker, it's tracking the trends. This one, it's interesting. New pairs. Like me, that I like buying new pairs all the time. It's useful for me. I'm coming here and I'm checking what tokens they are new because I want to get in early to a project. It may look like it's a new, but you have to double check it on another platform. For example, you can check it on CoinMarketCap or on Nomics or on PooCoin charts or in other place to make sure that it's that new, because it may appear as new on Dex Screener, but the project is not new, it's already on the all-time highs, but you're seeing only that it's going a bit downtrend because you're seeing that frame of the time. So be careful guys with this, double check it always. Now I want to find out some interesting tokens and new. I want to find the newest tokens. In order to find the newest tokens, I'll make it easier. What are we looking? You can do the same for all the platforms. So I am looking for something on Binance Smart Chain, save, and I would like to exchange it on PancakeSwap because I'm finding it easier, save. Okay, so we have the Binance Smart Chain on PancakeSwap. There are still some filters that we can change and we can use. For example, we can search tokens by the liquidity. The minimum liquidity that I want, for example, is $500. The pair age, minimum and maximum. I'll say I would like minimum 10 hours token, because if it has been rugged, it has been like probably in the first couple of hours. Maybe no, but most likely. You can search by transactions, by buys, by sells. All this here. There are some options that you can set to find the perfect coin, the one that you're looking for. Apply. How you can see here, it came up with a new ad tokens. I spot this 750k up the price, and I want to check. So basically this is one of the things that I am doing on Dex Screener, going and checking to find a good coin to trade. This token here, it has flew from a tenth of a cent to 40 cents. That's perfect. But in order to make sure that it's legit and everything is okay, you check it's any website here. I cannot see any website. Okay, no problem. But I still can go and check the token, and I'll add it to a honeypot detecting program to make sure it's not a honeypot. So you can do the same, guys. When you find a new token and you don't know what that is, you go on honeypot is and you add the token address here. Apparently this token is not a honeypot, so this kind of tokens, guys, you have to be careful. Okay, let's say now we know how to find a token that is recently added. Next option is gainers and losers. When you get to this section, it's coming up with the general from all exchanges and all chains. I want to check BSC. I want to check PancakeSwap. Save. Alright, we have the top gainers. If you click on the hours, you can see that it's sorting how you want. These ones are the top gainers. You go on the top left corner and you click on top losers, and then you can see the top losers. And if you sort it, you can find some tokens that sometimes they are 99% down or even 100%. Okay, here you can find some tokens, some losers, because you may want to invest in something that you believe that it has a huge chance to go back. Then next options, you can go straight on the chains that you want, and you'll see on that chains the tokens and everything, and there are plenty of chains here. You can follow Dex Screener on Twitter and on Telegram. That is good because you may have some questions and you're asking, and the developers, they'll answer, they'll try to help you. I'll leave the links in the description, obviously, for all these things. You can join them on Discord. And pretty much, guys, I hope you understand something out of this video, and I hope that it's gonna be useful for you and make your life easier from searching a new token. However, guys, if you are new in crypto and you don't know how to add MetaMask on your computer, you can click the image on the screen and you can learn how to install MetaMask on your computer. Subscribe and like, guys, and new videos, they are coming. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.